Established in 1990, eSoft has been a pioneer in delivering innovative business software solutions tailored for small and medium industries, SMEs, across Malaysia. Initially focusing on an MRP, material requirements planning, system for the manufacturing sector, eSoft has expanded its offerings to encompass a diverse range of industries, including hospitality, timber logging, sawmills, plywood factories, food and beverage, confinement centers, durian plantations, hostels, and IoT solutions for both manufacturing and hospitality. We are accredited with multiple industry certifications, including MSc status, HRDF training provider, LHDN PCB certification for our payroll system, e-invoice service provider, franchise license, and more. Over the years, we have successfully navigated significant transitions in the IT landscape, including migration from DOS to Windows platform, transition from file-based DBMS, DBase, FoxPro, to RDBMS, MySQL, addressing the Millennium Bug or Y2K crisis, adoption of web-based and cloud computing, evolution of programming languages, from DBase, FoxPro, and Visual Basic, to VB.NET, PHP, ASP, C#, Android Studio, and Ionic Framework. Embracing mobile app computing. Integration of IoT technologies. Successfully transitioning through the eras of GST, SST, and e-invoicing. Adoption of Industry 4.0 principles in the manufacturing sector. Driving digital transformation across industries. eSoft has integrated with cutting-edge technologies, including hotel door lock, lift and common door systems, MiCAD reader, passport scanner, Wi-Fi provider systems, online travel agents channel manager, hotel kiosk, proximity, fingerprint, and face recognition time clocks, payment gateway solutions. With over 30 years of experience, the eSoft brand has proudly served more than 3,000 companies across various industries. Our reach extends beyond peninsular Malaysia, serving clients in Sabah, Sarawak, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, and Papua New Guinea. After years of successful operations, we have developed over 30 software systems, each tailored to specific industries and operational needs. Some of our core products include ERP system for manufacturing. Our Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) system for manufacturing integrates essential business processes such as inventory management, production planning, procurement, and quality control into a single platform. This ensures streamlined operations and enhances decision-making, providing a comprehensive overview of manufacturing activities. Manufacturing Execution System. The MES solution enables real-time monitoring and management of work in process on the factory floor. It optimizes production operations by controlling manufacturing processes, scheduling, tracking, and ensuring high-quality standards are met throughout the production cycle. The eSoft Hotel Management System is a comprehensive platform designed to optimize hotel operations and enhance guest experiences. Key modules include Hotel Front Desk System, manages guest check-ins, room assignments, cashiering, housekeeping, event management, and reservations for seamless guest interactions. Procurement and Stock Control, centralizes procurement and inventory management, ensuring optimal stock levels and minimizing waste. Accounting System, tracks financial transactions, billing, and reporting to maintain accurate financial records. F&B POS and Ordering Systems, streamlines restaurant order management, offering contactless ordering via QR codes and tablet-based systems for waitstaff. PABX Call Billing System, bills phone charges directly to guest rooms, ensuring accurate billing for external calls. Online Reservation System, facilitates easy reservations through the hotel's website and external platforms with secure payment processing. Mobile Apps, includes Guest Signature app for quick check-ins, Manager app for on-the-go monitoring, housekeeping and maintenance apps for real-time updates, and membership management for loyalty programs. Hotel Facilities and Kiosk Management, manages hotel amenities like gyms and pools, and offers self-service kiosks for guest check-ins and payments. IoT-based electric switch, monitors and manages electricity usage in rooms, preventing wastage and unauthorized sales. Channel Manager integration, synchronizes room availability and rates across OTAs to avoid overbooking and ensure consistency. The system automates processes, reduces errors, and enhances operational efficiency, enabling staff to focus on delivering excellent customer service and improving overall hotel performance. The Time Management System is an all-in-one solution for efficient workforce management. It features electronic time attendance for accurate tracking, multi-shift roster scheduling to optimize shift distribution, daily attendance management to track presence and punctuality, leave update and maintenance for easy leave management, print reports for clear attendance documentation, seamless payroll integration to transfer attendance data directly to your payroll system for hassle-free payroll processing. Streamline your attendance, scheduling, and payroll with this comprehensive, user-friendly system. Human Resources and Payroll System. Our HR and payroll system automates critical HR and payroll functions, such as employee data management, attendance tracking, salary computation, tax calculations, leave management, and payslip generation. It ensures compliance with labor laws and simplifies HR management. The eSoft Timber and Wood ERP system is a specialized software solution designed to address the specific needs of businesses in the timber and wood industries. It provides a comprehensive suite of features that cater to different sectors of the timber supply chain, from logging companies to sawmills and plywood factories. Here's an overview of how the system benefits various stakeholders in the industry. Timberwood industries. Logging companies. These companies, licensed by the Forestry Department to log timber on a designated piece of land, can use the ERP system to manage their logging production output. The system also helps to track the log stock at log yard and generate delivery order and sales invoice. Timber log agents. Timber agents involved in purchasing logs from logging companies and reselling them to sawmills or plywood factories can use the system to manage their purchases and sales, track log pricing, and maintain inventory. It also supports efficient logistics management and price negotiations. Sawmills. Sawn timber system to manage the whole process flow of sawmilling from purchase of timber logs, manage the timber log stock, issue of logs to production, register the bandsaw output, manage the sawn timber kiln dry process and further wood processing such as crosscut, laminate, S4S, and etc. Plywood factories. Plywood ERP system help to manage plywood factories that purchase timber logs for production will benefit from the system's ability to track log inventory, manage the plywood production process from rotary, hewing, hot stamping, and sizing. Hostel Management System. Our hostel management system is perfect for managing student accommodations such as hostels and dormitories. It simplifies room bookings, occupancy tracking, fee management, and student information, ensuring smooth day-to-day operations in educational housing environments. Confinement Center Management System, specially tailored for healthcare. Our Confinement Center Management System efficiently manages bookings, patient records, accommodations, and services for new mothers and infants post-childbirth. This system ensures quality care and smooth operations in confinement or post-delivery care centers. Property Agent Management System. The Property Agent Management System supports real estate agents and property management firms in managing property listings, client communications, sales, rentals, and other property transactions. It helps streamline workflows and ensures an organized, efficient approach to property management. These systems have been developed with the goal of enhancing operational efficiency, improving productivity, and delivering excellent user experiences across various industries. Each solution is designed to meet the specific needs of its target sector while ensuring seamless integration and ease of use.